Okay, fam, welcome back. So today we're going to be going over the buy, sells, and dividends from December 15th through the 21st. Or, yeah, I think it's the 21st. Yep. So with that being said, let's get it. Okay, so this is going to be a relatively short one. We'll go over the numbers with you guys real quick, and then we'll get into the actual positions. So in terms of dividends, well, it kicked me out now, so I can't go over that. But yeah, we got some dividends from M1 Finance. Unfortunately, I can't show you because I didn't realize it was going to kick me out. It's not really that much. It's only 92 cents from a select number of positions. So in terms of the Robinhood dividends, we got 14.31 from YMAG, 37.87 from YMAX, and 97.73 from QTTE. So a total of 149.91. In terms of the profits and losses, so it sucks that I have to say this, but yeah, we sold out of a small portion of the Filecoin position we have. Again, roughly about 2,000 out of 6,000. Took a $21.35 profit on that, but we took a small loss on Horizon, which if we had held, I mean, we would have made like probably 2,000, 2,500. So yeah, that kind of sucks. I didn't realize it was going to move that fast. But it is what it is. I mean, there's still plenty of money to be made in crypto, so we're not too worried about it. So yeah, small loss on this one, $81.83. Again, this can always be written off on taxes. And in terms of options premiums, so we did another set of covered calls for Soxel, going out roughly a month. Reason being is because we closed out the previous cover calls for I think $6. So the previous cover calls that we got paid 126 in total. So $6 to close is really nothing. So we just decided, since the price wasn't going up, since we had another dip, which we didn't think we were going to get before the end of the year, crazy as that sounds. Usually it doesn't happen, but for some reason this year it did. So we just decided to go ahead and do another set of cover calls on Soxels. So the entry date here is going to be 12/20, and the exit date 1/24 for a combined total of $393 in premiums, or $1.31 times 3 contracts. So the total number of passive income here, $462 on the week. Keep in mind, we are much more heavily invested in crypto at this time. We're not so focused on passive income investing right now. If we were, it'd probably be a lot more than this week. But again, the gains that can be made in crypto are absolutely stupid. So we're basically giving up short-term passive income right now for massive, and I do mean huge, capital appreciation, which we can then convert back into passive income investments later on down the road and be able to live off of that full time. That's kind of the goal. So anyways, in terms of the buys we bought AMC and CLSK. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that right now. We have a huge, at this point, it's pretty huge position on CLSK. Again, there is that whole share buyback thing. So they're eventually, I guess, at some point with the, I think it's convertible notes or something like that they did, they're going to use a portion of that money to buy back shares. So, I mean, that, it's good for the share price, right? Usually whenever a company announces share buybacks, or, they're going to repurchase shares, that usually almost always leads to the stock price going up. So that by itself is bullish, not including the crypto bull run as well, and the Fed printing money and Trump and, on and on and on. So we're kind of playing into this whole thesis, this whole rounding narrative, so to speak. So yeah, we got 1,000 shares now on AMC. We bought patiently on the dip, roughly about $4.11 here per share, 100 shares. Nice easy little scoop at the bottom or at the top of support, I should say. Brought the average down to 643. I will tell you guys right now, I think the meme stocks and the miners are about, it should be, we should be pretty close to be about the time that these things are going to start exploding to the upside. I'll be real with y'all. I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised, and this is just a hunch. Okay, don't take this to the bank. Don't take my word for it. Okay, but I would not be surprised if GameStop and all of the Bitcoin miners, though that collective right there, started ripping to the upside after Christmas. Okay, and then going into the new year, and then AMC maybe starts popping off sometime in Q1 of next year. Again, it would not shock me if AMC, even with the whole share dilution, and yes, we're aware of what's going on with AMC, the short sellers, market manipulation, all that crap. Still would not be surprised if the share price of AMC eventually went to 60, maybe even 100, $120 a share. I mean, again, Carvana went from whatever it was at all-time highs previously down to $6 and then shot all the way up to 240. That should tell you something. Okay. And then the quantum stocks, they're like 50 cents a piece. Now they're sitting at like, uh, what was it? They're sitting at like 10, 20, $30. Let's see, where is it? I'll just show you guys this real quick just to show you how stupid things can get out of nowhere when nobody expects it. Nobody thinks it's coming. Okay, so you got your quantum stock right here, a little smaller one, 50 cents. Took off like an absolute beast and went, did a 54x all the way up to $27. And this is a stock, fam. I mean, I literally can't make this stuff up. This is a stock, not a cryptocurrency. Okay. Low here of 76 cents, shot all the way up to $10. I mean, you're talking like a 15x. Crazy, crazy stuff, right? Okay, so yeah, that's kind of the gist on AMC. Now I'm going to go over CLSK. So I do think CLSK is pretty close to a bottom, like a major bottom. Again, I can't really imagine it goes much lower than this. We'll go over the charts in a separate video. We're not going to do that here. So yeah, let's show you the buy orders here. Okay, so 50 shares at 12.12 here on the 19th, 50 shares at 11.65, 10 shares at 11.09, and then another 40 shares at 11.06. Obviously, you guys can see we were buying all the way down, putting our money where our mouth is. And I will show you guys later why we were buying so aggressively. We were thinking we were going to stop because the price was going to go up, but then it just, gave us another chance. So I'm like, all right, cool. We'll take it. So yeah, 1,500 shares at about $14.98 on that one. Okay, so now the native stuff. Let's go over the native stuff. Okay, so Horizon. Okay, so going down here, you guys can see that we bought back in at 15 something per token, and then we got out at 1470 per token, but then it shot up to 27. So whoopsies. It happens. We're not too worried about it. Again, with the money that we're going to make in crypto, if we just sit back and wait, we'll easily many times over make up for a small loss like that. It's not really a concern. So in terms of Filecoin here, you guys can see that we did sell out. So this was a small profit. So our average cost is 556. The current price is 562. I can tell you guys right now, if all of our targets get hit, we're good to go. We do not need to buy another penny worth of cryptocurrency. We will make more than enough money if truth be told, even if only 50% of our positions hit the targets that we're looking for, not even 100%, 50%, we're good to go. Okay. We're not too concerned about it. And again, Bitcoin's going to go to a new all-time high, most likely. Okay. The altcoins are going to pop off. We haven't seen Ethereum break new all-time highs yet. We've talked about this separately. But yeah, we're pretty much good to go at this point. So I think we're probably just going to go back to, we'll sit on the crypto positions, go back to the start buying some passive income investments, and then just sit back and wait and let the show play out how it's going to play out. Because, yeah, we got another 12 months of this. So, just my opinion, but I think patience is key here because it's hard to say exactly how this is going to turn out. Still looks pretty bullish, if you ask me. So, yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed this content. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.